Anyway, it's time to get back on the road. Will you move over? I have no room.
You know this is my seat, right?
I need another vacation. Finally, I can hear my own thoughts without interruption.
Hey sis, what's up? Isn't it wonderful outside? All sunshine and so much grass to eat.
And there goes my solitude.
Oh, don't be a sourpuss. We did some awesome things this week.
Sourpuss? That's actually pretty clever. Pippin.
It's Pawdrick, but I don't even mind that you got my name wrong. Mom and Dad took me on an amazing hike in the Columbia River Gorge of Oregon to see some waterfalls, and we saw a lot of waterfalls. Like, a lot of waterfalls. I was a little confused about the rushing water at first.
You were confused? Shocking.
I know, right? It was silly, but hey, you're making fun of me, aren't you?
What? No, never. Well, after you and Mom and Jerry were done staring at falling water, we headed toward Washington State.
Mom and Dad took me on another cool hike to see a waterfall. Don't tell them, but I'm a little sick of waterfalls, to be honest.
I hate water, too. And Jerry. When we got to Washington, Mom
and Dad
took me
and me
to the Mount St. Helens National Volcanic Monument. It was some big volcano that erupted or something back when Walkmans and Atari were cool.
Mom and Dad got to explore Ape Cave while we were there. It's North America's third longest lava tube. I was going to go in, but dogs aren't allowed. And Dad said I would have had a hard time getting over the breakdown piles.
More rocks. Go figure.
They also went on a bike ride to see more waterfalls. I'm glad they didn't ask me to come.
I'm not. I had to put up with you in the van while they were gone.
Well, at least you didn't have to get a bath in the middle of a pet store. Anyone could have looked in and seen me without my collar on. Felt naked.
That's the price for being a smelly van dog.
That's hurtful. But at least I got a delicious cookie afterward, as a reward for being a clean boy.
I wish I got rewarded for every time I bathed myself.
Mom gives you treats all day long. I don't want to hear it.
And Jerry doesn't spoil you.
Yeah, I guess we both have it pretty good.
Where do you think we'll end up next?
I heard Mom and Dad talking about needing to do some renovations on the van for the new internet. Whatever that is.
As long as they don't disturb my sleep.